Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a dynamic YouTube intro with smoke effect in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and first thing first, I'm going to add text to my video. I'm going to click on text and I'm just going to select default, and I'm going to type in, for example, introduction, just like this. And I'm going to change the font. Wait, I'm going to select this one guys. All right, and I'm going to make my my tags align with my video. And after that, I'm going to add smoke effect to my video. We can go to the stock material in CapCut and then just search for the smoke over the black background. Okay, and that will be some effect you can add to your video. And I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to add it to my project, and I'm going to make it as an overlay. Okay, and I'm going to cut it guys. Wait. All right, and then we can adjust the position right here, and we'll get to blend the effect with your video. Go to the blend option and then select the darken. Okay, and I think it will look good right here. Okay, and now it's done, and I'm going to play to take a look at the result. Wait. I think I need to move it down a little bit. Okay. Okay, this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a dynamic YouTube intro in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.